Hey, relationship tribe. Ever had an ex firmly tell you there's absolutely no chance of rekindling the romance? Ever wondered what goes on in their mind or how you might be able to turn things around? Stick around till the end and we might just have a secret recipe for you. So let's dive right in. Do you remember the feeling when someone told you it's not possible? How did you react? We've all been there, haven't we? But what if I told you that beneath that firm no chance, there's a hidden key waiting to be discovered? What if unlocking their heart is more about you than them? Intrigued? Let's unravel this mystery. Key 1, trust, the invisible glue. At the heart of every no often lies a broken bond of trust. And trust, dear friends, isn't about just saying the right words. It's a dance, a rhythm, a silent promise. Would you trust someone who only says the right things but never does the right things? Key 2, the magic of transformation. Imagine being a caterpillar, turning into a butterfly. That's the transformation we're talking about. Real, deep, authentic change. Not just a new haircut or wardrobe. Dive deep, understand your past mistakes, and emerge anew. Key 3, avoiding the quicksand trap. Now here's where most people get it wrong. They rush. Imagine trying to microwave a gourmet meal. Doesn't work, right? Your relationship isn't any different. Authentic change can't be microwaved. It's slow cooked to perfection. Still with me? Great. Because what's coming next is something most people overlook. And it could be the game changer for you. Ready for the golden nugget? Stay tuned. Key 4, authenticity, your secret weapon. Here's the golden nugget, authenticity. Being real. It's not about manipulating your way back, but truly understanding and nurturing a genuine bond. Can you remember a time when someone was completely genuine with you? How did it make you feel? So relationship tribe, remember, it's not about changing their mind, but transforming your heart. Because when you change, the world around you changes. Let's delve deeper into this golden nugget called authenticity. Think about the relationships that have truly mattered to you. Wasn't it the genuine moments, the unfiltered emotions, and the raw truths that made them special? Being authentic is about showing up as your true self, not the version you think someone wants. It's about taking off the masks we wear and allowing our genuine emotions to shine through. Consider this. A relationship built on pretense is like building a mansion on sand. It may look grand, but it's bound to collapse sooner or later. Whereas when you act from a place of genuine intent, when you speak truths even when they're uncomfortable, you build a bond that's both deep and unbreakable. Your ex, like anyone else, can sense that authenticity. They can feel when emotions are real versus when they're fabricated. And true authenticity, it's magnetic. But here's the thing. Authenticity is a journey, not a destination. It's about daily introspection, understanding oneself, and striving for genuine interactions, not just with our exes, but with everyone around us. This isn't a one-off tactic to win someone back. It's a lifelong strategy to build meaningful and lasting connections. I genuinely wish you that you find the strength, wisdom, and authenticity to rekindle that connection with your ex if it's truly meant to be. Remember, every heartfelt effort counts. Now, if you found value in this, hit that subscribe button and share this with someone who needs a dose of relationship insight. Let's create a community where love truly conquers all. And hey, drop a comment below about your own transformation journey. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep loving and evolving. Much love, Relationship Tribe.